Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable PlayStation 5 two-step verification, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable two-step verification on your PlayStation 5, start by turning on your console. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Select the Users and Accounts option from the settings menu. In the Users and Accounts menu, choose Account. Next, locate and select Security. Under the Security section, you'll find the option for two-step. You will be prompted to choose between two verification methods, using an authenticator app or receiving text message. If you prefer using an authenticator app, download a trusted app like Google Authenticator or Authy on your smartphone. After installing the app, select the option for Authenticator app on your PlayStation 5. Your console will display a QR code. Open the Authenticator app on your phone and add a new account by scanning the QR code. Once you've set it up, the app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter the 6-digit code displayed on your Authenticator app back into your PlayStation 5. If you chose to receive text messages instead, select that option. Enter your mobile phone number when prompted. You will receive a verification code via text message. Type that verification code into your PlayStation 5. After successfully entering the code, the two-step verification setup will be complete. You will see a confirmation message indicating that two-step verification is now enabled. Make sure to save any backup codes provided during the setup process. Now, every time you sign in, you'll need to use this two-step verification method for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.